Pastor Eric. I speak to you in the most loving and sincere way. You know that course, that Bible-based couples course, howwelove.com, that showed attachment style in us that is born out of the way we interact with our mothers when we are baby, before we know language. And that video we saw, mother and a baby, when a mother responds to the baby's expressions accurately, sincerely, lovingly, intimately, that is a healthy baby. And then she, in that experiment, stops responding, and her face is unresponsive, expressionless. The baby is distressed. Rupture is occurring. And then how important it is for repair after rupture, that determines the attachment style of that baby for the rest of his life. That's what Travis is doing intentionally, and the rest of the family of that church is behaving intentionally, is ruptured, saying flat out lies, unanimously saying, Zeke, I have no idea what you're talking about, with an expressionless face. That is intentional rupture perpetrated on people you know have childhood abuse. What Avo has, what I have, you are well aware, and we are being treated that way intentionally because we have that. You know that, Travis knows that, your family knows that, and they're doing it intentionally, maliciously, for reasons that I'm realizing it's more than to kick us out. To kick us out and then to say we're not kicking you out, but it's more than that. It's gone on for 10 years with Avo. It has some deeper cause that has to do with what the people at the church, what their attachment style is, what they've been through. And it needs to be addressed. It needs to be brought to light. The individuals in that church, the family in that church, the individuals, what they've been through, and we're all family. This is a family, and it's kind of a family re-traumatization of our childhood wounds. We've come together in a gathering, reliving our trauma. Yeah, all of us involved. And see it as such and bring it to light. If something needs to be voiced here, I'm voicing it now. It needs to be brought to light.